Hello, everyone. I would like to present you the article on topic medical computer system for diagnosing the state of human vessels. The author of the topic are Микола Хвостивський, Лілія Хвостівська, Ірина Дедів, Ігор Яворський, and Сергій Уніяк. The development of medical computer system which is implemented using the photoplethysmographic method for the task of diagnosing the condition of the vessels of the human system is an organ task. The system makes it possible to obtain diagnostic signs as indicators of the state of human vessels by registering the pulse signal and further processing it by means of mathematical, algorithmic, and software. Among the existing mathematical support of computer system for diagnosing the functional state of human vessels, the following methods of pulse signal processing are highlighted. Quantitative method, statistical method, spectral method, spectral correlation method, wavelet method with the Dobbish basis function, synfase, and components method. They indicate methods of pulse signals processing in relation of wavelet processing do not provide research of structural fluctuation of pulse signal in the time space of observation of different scales, which is necessary for timely detection of change of human vessels. The hardware of the medical computer system for diagnosing the state of human vessels in the form of a computer photoplethysmograph figure 1, which was developed by Lilia Khustivska and Mykola Khustivsky at the Department of Biotechnical System of 10-2, was used for pulse signal registration. The rhythmic temporal structure of pulse signal can be extracted and quantified by applying the wavelet transform. This method makes it possible to study time frequency composition of the pulse signal. In order to track its structural fluctuation of different time scales according to the expression 1. As the core of the wavelet basis, the Morlet basis was used since it correlates in shape with the studied pulse signal. Expression 2. The view of the Morlet basis function is shown in figure 3. On the basis of wavelet processing in the Morlet basis, the algorithmic support for a pulse signal processing is implemented, which is shown in figure 4. Algorithmic support of a computer system for diagnosing the state of human vessels is shown in figure 5. The MATLAB environment was used to develop the wavelet processing software based on the developed algorithm. The result of the software is shown in figure 6. In the form of a 3D representation as a timescale spectrum depends. Spectral data, figure 6, which are presented in 3D, are visually identical, that is, full invariance is preserved, but numerically evaluating the level of deviations between them is a complicated process. They evaluate the results of PC wavelet processing, the criterion of time shift spectra average expression 3. The average value of spectral 3D views is shown in figure 7. According to the data in figure 7, it can be seen that the diagnostic parameters as a set of coefficients are invariant, that is localized for different states of vessels on the same scales. Spectra by level for the state of pathology in relation to the norm are lowered, which clearly indicates the presence of pathological state that occurs in the vessels. The guide MATLAB module was used to develop software for a computer system with a graphical user interface for automated processing of pulse signal based on algorithmic support. It's figure 8. That developed software of the computer system allows the user to automate the process of diagnosing the state of blood vessels. Mathematical support, algorithmic support, and software for processing the pulse signal in the core with method of wavelet processing in moral basis were developed for the calculation of new diagnosing information in the form of a spectral representation of wavelet coefficients, which ensured the development of medical computer system for diagnosing the state of human vessels and expanding the diagnostic level of existing systems. MATLAB tools and its guide model were used in the development of the system software. The operation of the medical computer system was investigated, and it was established that the system functions correctly and clearly reflects change in the state of human vessels by 3D and 2D realizations of wavelet coefficient spectra. Thank you for your attention.